everyone, I'm Kelly D, and today we're making a recipe that's near and dear to my heart from the carrot. Carrots are great for vision health, so they're really good for your eyes. But along with being great for your eyes, carrots help to give you that beautiful glow on your skin. So ladies, make sure you get lots of carrots if you want to get glowing skin. The recipe that we're doing today, I would have tried many years ago, and it is so delicious. If you don't like carrots, I guarantee you after trying this recipe, you are going to love it. Today we're going to be making carrot casserole or carrot roast. So let's go over the ingredients. We have 8 large carrots which I grated. Now if you have a box grater, you can grate them. Just be careful with your fingers and the box grater. If you don't have that and you want to use a food processor, just go ahead. We can put the carrots into the food processor, and in 1 minute it's all done. 8 large carrots grated. We have 2 cups of cooked mashed potatoes. We have 2 eggs. I'm using brown eggs today, but if you have white eggs, you may use that. 1 cup of peanut butter. Now this is an absolute must. Peanut butter really elevates the taste of this carrot roll, so you must have peanut butter, and the one I'm using today is smooth peanut butter. We have 1 tablespoon of Bajan seasoning. Now if you don't know how to make Bajan seasoning, I'm going to link the video in the iCards above so you can check out how to make this. This really adds additional flavor to any dish. 2 tablespoons of Ragu sauce. Half of a large onion. We're going to grate the onion, so to make it easier, we're going to take the onion and we're going to add it to the food processor as we are mixing, as we're grating the carrot, so everything is all grated finely together. We have half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of white pepper, and half teaspoon of paprika. We have 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs to help bind it, and 2 tablespoons of milk. This is a relatively easy process. All we have to do is mix all of our ingredients together. So at this time, we're going to go ahead and preheat the oven to 250 degrees as we mix all of our ingredients together to make our carrot roast. Mixture is done. Now I would have tasted it off camera and realized I wanted a little more salt, so you can adjust the seasoning at this time. If you want to add a little more pepper, you can do that. I added a little more salt, and you will notice it must be not loose and not too tight. The consistency must look something similar to this one. So I would have added a bit more breadcrumbs because we don't want it to be too loose or too liquidy. It must be nice and firm. So I added a bit more breadcrumbs just to tighten it, maybe like another 2 tablespoons just to tighten up on it. And you can go ahead and add some fresh thyme, because whenever you add fresh thyme, it always makes it smell good, and it will definitely taste great as well. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to put it into a greased baking dish, and we're going to go ahead and bake. Our carrot casserole, or carrot roast, as some people know this dish as, is done, and it has the entire kitchen smelling so amazing. Just look at it. You can see the bits of carrot just peeping coming through. You can see some of the potato. It smells amazing. It looks great, but it's really hot, so I'm gonna allow it to cool for a few moments. Then I'm gonna cut it up, and then we're gonna taste. Now it's time to taste. I can already smell the aroma from the peanut butter. It is so strong. If you love peanut butter, you are going to love this carrot casserole. I allowed it to cool, and by allowing it to cool, it started to firm up a bit more. Now we are going to taste. The perfect bite. I can taste a delicate balance of the carrot and the potato, and definitely, as I mentioned, the peanut butter is really coming through, and it's well balanced with the salt, the pepper, the ragu. Everything just blends so well together. Carrot casserole. Now you need to try it. Now, if you enjoyed this carrot recipe, I want you to look over here, see some of my other carrot recipes, and once you've watched them all, just click the button below, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I post a video. And remember to leave me a comment. I love hearing from you.